Introducing Prestashop Subscription Product Module. Let's move forward to our dashboard. Now navigate to the Module section and click on the Module Manager option. Here, you have to search for the subscription. Once the module appears, click on the Configure button. After clicking on the Configure button, it leads us to the configuration page. The configuration page is mainly divided into 5 sections: General, Display, Payment, Email, and Cron. Let's explore each section one by one. First of all, let's start with the General section. In the General section, first we have the Cancel Subscription option. This option lets the admin control whether customers can cancel their subscription from the control panel. If this option is enabled, customer will be able to cancel their subscription anytime as per their requirement. And if this option is disabled, customers will not be able to allow to cancel the subscription by themselves, and only the admin will have control over the subscription cancellation. Now let's move forward to the Update Subscription Quantity. Using this option, the admin can allow customers to update the quantity of the subscribed product. If this option is enabled, customer will be able to increase or decrease the product's quantity in their active subscription from their account panel. If this option is disabled, customers will not be able to modify the subscription quantity. Therefore, the quantity will remain fixed throughout the subscription period. Next, we have the Pause Subscription option. Using this option, the admin can allow customers to temporarily pause their subscription. So if this option is enabled, customers can pause their subscription for a certain period and resume it later. This helps customer manage their subscription more flexibly. After that, we have the Resume Subscription option. Using this option, customer can restart their paused subscription whenever they want. Now we have Frequency Update Subscription. Using this option, admin can allow the customer to change the subscription frequency. If this option is enabled, customers will be able to modify how often they receive the subscribed product. For example, customers can change the delivery frequency from weekly to monthly or from monthly to yearly based on their requirements. And if this option is disabled, the customer will not be able to change the frequency after subscribing. This will remain fixed as selected during subscription. Next, we have to apply a virtual or packed product for the subscription option. In this option, the admin can enable subscription functionality for both virtual and physical products. If this option is enabled, customers will be able to subscribe to the virtual product as well as the packaged product. This helps the store owner to offer subscription services for different types of products. Next, we have allowed multiple normal products with a single subscription product in a single cart. Using this option, the admin can allow customers to add a regular product along with a subscription product in the same cart. If this option is enabled, customers can purchase one subscription product and multiple normal products together in a single cart. And if the option is disabled, the customer will only be able to add either a subscription product or a normal product to the cart at a time. Next, we have to apply a voucher on subscription cart. Using this option, the admin can allow customers to apply a voucher or a discount code to a cart that contains a subscription product. If this option is enabled, the customer will be able to use a valid voucher code while purchasing the subscription product. And if this option is disabled, then the customer will not be able to apply any voucher or discount code to the subscription product orders. Next, we will allow free shipping for subscription products. Using this option, the admin can provide free shipping for subscription products. So if this option is enabled, the customer will not be charged any shipping cost while purchasing a subscription product. And if this option is disabled, normal shipping charges will be applied to the subscription product orders as per the store shipping rule. After that, click on the Save button, and your general settings will be saved successfully. Now let's move to the next tab, which is the Display tab. In the Display tab, first we have the Display Subscribe button in Quick View. Using this option, the admin can choose whether to display the Subscribe button in the Product Quick View pop-up. If this option is enabled, customers will be able to see and select the subscription option directly from the Quick View window without opening the product's detail page. And if this option is disabled, the subscribe button will only be visible on the product detail page and not in the Quick View pop-up. Next, we have Display Most Used Frequency Message option. Using this option, the admin can display a message showing the most commonly selected subscription frequency by a customer. If the option is enabled, customers will be able to see which subscription frequency is most popular among other customers. And if this option is disabled, the most used frequency message will not be shown on the product page. Then we have the Display No Subscribers Yet message. Using this option, the admin can display a message when a subscription product does not have any subscribers. So if this option is enabled, the customer will see a message such as No Subscriber Yet on the product's detail page. And if this option is disabled, this message will not show to the customer when there are no subscribers for the product. After that, we will allow customers to select the delivery date option. Using this option, the admin can allow customers to choose their preferred delivery date while subscribing to the product. If this option is enabled, the customer will be able to select the first delivery date according to their convenience at the time of subscription. If this option is disabled, the delivery date will be automatically assigned based on the subscription plan setting, and the customer will not be able to modify it. Next, we have a one-time purchase option. Using this option, the admin can allow customers to purchase the product without subscribing to it. If this option is enabled, the customer will see both options on the product page, one-time purchase and subscription. And if this option is disabled, customers will only be able to purchase the product through the subscription option, and the one-time purchase option will not be available. Next, we have one-time purchase text. Using this option, the admin can customize the text displayed on the one-time purchase button. Then, next we have the default selected option. Using this option, the admin can set the default purchase option selected on the product page. Here, the admin can choose whether the one-time purchase option or the subscription option will be pre-selected when the customer visits on the product page. And then we have the subscribe button text. Using this option, the admin can customize the text displayed on the subscribe button. This helps to improve the admin store branding and makes the subscription option more attractive to customers. Next, we have Display Subscription Message. Using this option, the admin can display an informational message related to the subscription to the product. So if this option is enabled, the customer will see a message that explains subscription detail, benefits, and important information about a subscription plan. And if this option is disabled, the subscription message will not be shown on the product page. Next, we have Subscription Message. Using this option, the admin can enter a custom message that will be displayed to the customer regarding the subscription. This message helps customer to understand the subscription term and improve transparency. The message entered in this field will be displayed on the product page if the Display Subscription Message option is enabled. Next, we have a Display Subscription Offer Message. Using this option, the admin can display the offer message related to the subscription plan on the product page. So if this option is enabled, the customer will be able to see a promotional message such as a subscription discount, subscription offer, etc. And if this option is disabled, the subscription offer message will not be shown on the product page. Next, we have a subscription offer message. Using this option, the admin can enter the custom promotional message that will be displayed to the customer for the subscription offer. This message helps to attract customers and encourage them to choose a subscription plan instead of a one-time purchase. The message entered in this field will be displayed on the product page if the Display Subscription Offer Message field is enabled. After that, click on the Save button and your Display tab setting will be saved successfully. Now let's move to the Payment section. In this section, the admin can manage payment-related settings for the subscription product. These settings help to ensure that the subscription orders are processed smoothly using the supported payment method. For that, Firstly, the admin can select the payment method that supports subscription and recurring payments. This ensures that the customer can complete the subscription purchase using a compatible payment gateway. Also, the admin can restrict certain payment methods for subscription products if required. This helps to avoid failure and ensures that the recurring orders are processed automatically without any issue. So let's switch on all payment methods. After switching on all payment methods, click on the Save button and the changes are applied successfully. Now let's move to the next tab, which is the Email tab, where we have multiple options. First, we have Send Email Notification. Using this option, the admin can enable or disable email notifications related to subscription activities. So if this option is enabled, customer will automatically receive an email notification whenever they subscribe to a product, update subscription detail, pause or resume their subscription, or cancel the subscription. These email notifications help customer informed about their subscription status and upcoming subscription activities. And if this option is disabled, the customer will not receive any email notification related to the subscription update. Then we have On Create option. Using this option, the admin can send an email notification to the customer when a new subscription is created. If this option is enabled, the customer will receive an email notification immediately after successfully subscribing to a product. And if this option is disabled, the customer will not receive any email notification when a new subscription is created. Next, we have the Update field. Using this option, the admin can send an email notification to the customer whenever their subscription details are updated. If this option is enabled, customers will receive an email notification when they or the admin make changes to the subscription, such as updating quantity, frequency, or a delivery date. And if this option is disabled, the customer will not receive any email notification when the subscription details are updated. Next, we have a Cancel field. Using this option, the admin can send an email notification to the customer when the subscription is canceled. If this option is enabled, customers will receive an email confirmation when their subscription is canceled, whether the cancellation is done by the customer or the admin. If this option is disabled, the customer will not receive any email notification when their subscription is canceled. Then next we have On Renew. Using this option, the admin can send an email notification to the customer when their subscription is renewed. If this option is enabled, the customer will receive an email whenever a new subscription order is generated for the next billing or delivery cycle. If this option is disabled, the customer will not receive any email notification when the subscription is renewed. Then we have Pause. Using this option, the admin can send an email notification to the customer when their subscription is paused. If this option is enabled, customers will receive an email confirmation when their subscription is paused, whether the action is performed by the customer or the admin. If this option is disabled, the customer will not receive any email notification when their subscription is paused. And the last thing we have is On Resume. Using this option, the admin can send an email notification to the customer when their paused subscription is resumed. If this option is enabled, customer will receive an email confirmation when their subscription becomes active again. And if this option is disabled, the customer will not receive any email notification when their subscription is resumed. After enabling all the settings, click on the Save button and your email settings will be saved successfully. Now let's move to the last tab, which is the Cron tab. Here we have Create Automatic Order Before the Delivery Date option. Using this option, the admin can automatically generate a subscription order before the scheduled delivery date. In this option, the admin can set the number of days through which the system will create a subscription order automatically based on the configured time. This helps ensure that the orders are processed on time and customer will receive their product without any delay. And next, we have the Token option. Using this option, the system generates a unique security token that is used while setting up the cron job. This helps maintain security and prevent unauthorized execution of cron's task. Next, we have cron order status. Using this option, the admin can select the default order status that will be assigned to subscription orders created through the cron job. And after that, click on the Save button and your cron job will be saved successfully. Now, let's explore other options available in the back office to manage subscription products more efficiently. After configuring the module, new options are added to the back office that help the admin to manage subscription plans and subscriber details. For that, first navigate to the Subscriptions section and click on Product Options. After clicking on Product, it will be redirected to the Products page. Here, the admin can select the product and configure the subscription setting for that particular product. From this page, the admin can also view the list of all the products for which subscription can be enabled or managed. So to configuring a subscription for a product, click on Add New button. After clicking on Add New button, admin redirected to the product subscription page, where the admin can create and manage the subscription plan for that product. On this page, the admin can also search the subscription products. So here, search for the Hummingbird printed t-shirt. After selecting the Hummingbird printed t-shirt, some fields appear. Let's explore each of them one by one. So if the admin selected the combination product, one dependent field appears named Select Combination. Using this field, the admin can select the specific product combination for which the subscription will be applicable. For example, if a product has multiple combinations, such as size, color, etc., the admin can choose which combinations will support the subscription option. This helps the admin to provide subscription plans for selected products or for all combinations available. Now, select all combination options. Then, the next option is Daily Frequency. Using this option, the admin can allow customers to subscribe to the product on a daily basis. So if this option is enabled, the customer will be able to select daily delivery while subscribing to the product. This is useful for the products that are required regularly, such as groceries or daily use items. If this option is disabled, the customer will not see the Select Daily Cycle option while selecting the Everyday option. Then, next we have Enable Weekly Frequency. Using this option, the admin can allow customers to subscribe to the product on a weekly basis. If this option is enabled, the customer will be able to select the Weekly Cycle option and select the Every Week option. This is useful for the product that customers usually purchase every week. If this option is disabled, the customer will not see a weekly subscription option while subscribing to the product. The next option is Enable Monthly Frequency. Using this option, the admin can allow customers to select the Monthly Cycle option for the product on a monthly basis. If this option is enabled, customer will be able to select the option every month. This is useful for the product that customers usually purchase once every month. If this option is disabled, the customer will not be able to see the monthly subscription option while subscribing to the product. Then, the next option is Enable Yearly Frequency. Enabling this option, the admin can allow customers to select the Yearly Delivery option. If this option is enabled, the customer will be able to select yearly delivery while selecting the Every Year option. This is useful for a product or a service that customers usually purchase once every year. If this option is disabled, the customer will not see the Yearly Frequency option while subscribing to the product. Then, the next option is Status. Using this option, the admin can enable or disable the subscription product. If this option is enabled, the subscription plan for the product will be active and available to the customer, and the customer will be able to view and subscribe to the product. If this option is disabled, the subscription plan will be inactive, and the customer will not be able to purchase the subscription product. After that, click on the Save button, and your subscription product will be created successfully. After creating a subscription product, first let's explore the customer end workflow. After that, we will explore other options like subscriber orders, scheduled orders, and subscription by customer at the admin end. So now, to understand the complete workflow of the front end, let's move to the front office. The customer can click on the product where the subscription is enabled. On the product page, customers will see two purchase options, subscribe and one-time purchase. If the customer selects one-time purchase, the product will be purchased normally without creating a subscription, and if the customer selects subscribe, additional subscription setting appears on the product page. Here, the customer can select the subscription frequency based on the option enabled by the admin, like every day, every week, every month, every year, etc. The customer can choose a frequency that best matches their requirements, so let's select every day here. Now, if the admin allows customers to select a delivery date, the customer can select their preferred first delivery date in the First Delivery Date field. This allows customers to schedule the first delivery according to their convenience, so let's just select 14 here. After selecting the required subscription frequency and delivery date, the customer can click on Add to Cart button. The selected product is added to the shopping cart. Now, if the admin has enabled the option Allow multiple normal products with a single subscription product, the customer can also add a regular product along with a subscription product in the same cart. Or if the admin has disabled the option Allow multiple normal products with a single subscription product option from the back office, the customer cannot be able to add a regular product along with a subscription product in the same cart. Now let's go to the home page, click on the product, click on Add to Cart button, now click Proceed to Checkout button, and you will see the customer will see a warning message that you cannot purchase a subscription product and a normal product together, as the admin has not allowed the customer to purchase normal product with subscription products in a same cart. Now, let's remove the normal product from the cart. Again, if the admin has enabled the Apply Voucher on Subscription Cart option, the customer can apply a valid voucher or discount during checkout. This allows the customer to receive a promotional discount on subscription purchases. For that, the customer can enter the voucher code in a promo code field. So let's just put a promo code here. Click on the Apply button and you will see that a promo code is applied to the cart. Now let's just proceed to checkout. For that, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Select the Continue to Shipping option and now select the Continue to Payment option. Select the Pay by Bank Wire option and place the order. Once the payment is completed, the subscription order is placed. At this stage, the subscription becomes active. Customer can also view their subscription details on a confirmation page here. Also, they can view the subscription details by clicking on the View Detail page. After clicking on the View Detail page, the customer will be redirected to the Subscription Detail page, where the customer can view all the details regarding their subscription product. Now, after subscribing to the product, customer can manage their subscription from the My Account section. Inside the Account panel, customers can access the My Subscription section. Here, the customer can view all the information about My Subscription. For each subscription, the customer can see the subscribed product detail, subscription frequency, subscription start date, next delivery date, and subscription status. Customers can also manage their subscription by clicking on the Action button. Here, the customer can cancel their subscription whenever they want by clicking on the Cancel Subscription button. Now let's just check how the customer can manage their quantity and update their frequency while ordering the subscription product. For that, we have to move towards the product page. Select the frequency, select the delivery date, click on the Add to Cart button, and click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Here, the View icon is appearing. Click on the View icon and the customer can update their frequency from here, like every week. They can also update the delivery date from here, like 16. Once they click on the Update button, their frequency and delivery date will be updated successfully. This is how customer can manage their subscription products from the front office. Now let's move to the back office and explore the other subscription options. For that, move to the back office again. Now let's talk about the subscriber option. For that, again, navigate to the subscription section and click on Subscriber option. After clicking on the subscriber option, the admin is redirected to the subscriber listing page. On this page, the admin can view the list of all customers who have subscribed to the product in the store. Here, the admin can check the important details such as customer name, subscribed product, subscription frequency, subscription start date, next delivery date, and subscription status from here. This page helps the admin to easily track and manage all activity regarding the subscription product. The admin can also perform various actions like pausing the subscription, canceling the subscription, and resuming the subscription again. Now let's switch to the another option, subscriber orders. For that, click on Subscriber Order. After clicking on Subscriber Orders, the admin is redirected to the Subscriber Order Listing page. On this page, the admin can view all the orders that customer have been placed through the subscription product. Here, the admin can check important details such as order reference, customer name, subscribed product, order date, payment details, etc. This section helps the admin to track all subscription-related orders separately from normal store order. The admin can also open any order to view complete order detail and manage the order as per the store workflow. For that, they can click on View button and the order will be open. Now let's move to the next option. For that, again, navigate to the Subscription section and click on Scheduled Order option. After clicking on Scheduled Order, the admin is redirected to the Scheduled Order Listing page. On this page, the admin can view all upcoming subscription orders that are scheduled to be created in future. Here, the admin can check the details such as customer name, email, subscribed product, product price, scheduled delivery date by clicking on View button. Here, the admin can check the details of customer name and subscription subscribed product. This section helps the admin to track upcoming subscription order and ensure that orders are generated on time. It also helps the admin to monitor future deliveries and manage the inventory accordingly. Now let's move to the other section. For that, again, switch to the previous page and navigate to the Subscription section and click on Subscription by Customers option. After clicking on this option, the admin is redirected to the Subscription Detail page. Based on customer. Here, the admin can view a subscription group customer-wise. Here, the admin can check which customer have subscribed to the product and view their complete subscription detail in one place. The admin can see the information such as customer name, subscribed product, and subscription frequency, etc. by clicking on View button. This section helps the admin to analyze the customer subscription activity and manage subscription more efficiently. So this is how the Prestashop Subscription Product Module works, allowing the admin and customer to manage subscriptions smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.